he have ever heard of is 50 instances of inaudibles. There are over 200 in this trial transcript. At what point does the number of inaudibles make it an incomplete transcript? And if that is so, I haven't found case law on it, because I can't find any case with this many inaudibles.
With this type of situation. Yeah, you know, I don't know. I haven't looked at the Indiana process. I can tell you in Washington, we have rules for what happens in this type of situation, because it's less common that you get like 50 inaudibles, although that does happen too. That actually happened a lot during COVID, I found, because they were having to set up court in these, you know, not in the courtroom. They had to go literally to like airport hangars and things like that, so that they could space everybody when they're bringing in big jury pools and stuff. And so the acoustics are terrible, and it hasn't been set up. So we did run into a lot of problems with that kind of thing during COVID. But normally the situation is much more that you might get occasional inaudibles, but the problem is that somebody just forgets to hit the record button, and you end up not having a recording of the hearing at all. So we have a process in Washington about what you do when that happens, and it's a enormous pain in the ass. Is like this whole reconstruction effort that the trial attorneys and the judge are supposed to go through, and I've had to do it in a couple of my appeals for that reason. But for here's what kind of alarms me about the situation with the transcript in Delphi. Number one, Jody was sitting there in the courtroom the entire time, right? She was live. This did not have to be this could have been live reported, as far as I can tell. It didn't need to rely solely on the audio recording.